Hey, it's Living with Shana. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I am glad you're here. I would like for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button right down below there, and don't forget to hit also this notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I'm on my way to Menards to grab some flowers, and I would love for you to join me. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna get yet, but I have an idea. I might get the same flowers that I got last year. We'll see what they have. But let's get going. See you in a bit. We're getting to the garden center. Excuse me, do you guys have birds? Not to cut you, but do you guys have birds, or is just a sound?
Yeah, there are birds in there.
Are you selling birds?
Yeah, they're in the rafters.
Oh, okay. I didn't know they sold birds. So we have here, these are beautiful. Look at that ladybug. Look at that ladybug. I'm looking for seasonal plants. I think they call it something else. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my, this is beautiful. Wow. This is beautiful. That's huge though. So over here we have, oh, these are tomatoes. Oh, look at that. We have tomatoes, peppers. I will need to come back to get some of these plants. Bird peas herbs here. So last year we got these. Oh, it's heavy. Yeah, we got these last year, but the red, the one that's just all red. We got these last year. It's a beautiful plant. Really nice. But it looks empty though.
Yes.
What? And this is a Monday. Are those? Yeah, those are it, but bigger leaves. I guess we can try this. It's not white. We have white at home, right?
We have a white box, yeah.
Yeah. Do you know how long this lasts? Is it all summer?
Which one?
This one.
The baskets?
No, yeah, that one. Will it last all summer?
They should go through all summer, yeah.
Okay.
Basket, how long do you think it'll last?
What's that?
Baskets, how long do you think it'll last?
I don't know. I mean, it depends.
What is the price? Is this the price?
These are annuals, so they're not going to come back next year.
Oh, yeah, that's fine. We just want to know how long it will last. At least this whole summer.
Like how long it's going to bloom?
Yeah.
I don't know. Usually they have like a tag or something in them, but I don't know if these hanging baskets do.
Most of the summer? Okay, thanks.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah, we can take this one.
Okay. We don't have our garden expert here today. It looks good.
Yeah, so we ended up getting these two for this store. We're gonna go to another Menards and try to get a few more.